A lot of times the issues that ponds see can be caused by things out of our control. So for example, excess nutrients, and that can lead to pond growth or pond plant growth. It can lead to some different issues with water quality within your pond. A lot of times we can't control excess nutrients that come from outside of our pond area. So the watershed of the pond, we can't really completely control that. So that's why something that's called pre-treatment is important. So there are different options for pre-treatment for your pond, and essentially what that is you're putting these conservation practices upstream of your pond, so where you have water flowing in that then eventually enters your pond, and you're treating that water before it ever gets to your pond. So some examples are, behind me we have water and sediment control basin, and essentially what happens with this is one of the main drainage ways that then enters into Thomas Mitchell Pond further down. And so what we're doing with this is we are holding back that water for a little bit, allowing those excess nutrients to settle out, and then the water continues down to Thomas Mitchell Pond. So it really helps prevent some of the water quality issues that may occur if you didn't have what's called pre-treatment. Another thing that this also does is prevent more sediment or soil from moving into your pond, especially if you have some maybe open fields or open lots upstream that maybe are putting sediment into your pond, causing it to fill in. If you put these types of structures in, it can actually help prevent some of that sediment, hold it back, and then you can actually come in later and come dig out the sediment out of this versus having to go do a dredging or digging it out of your pond. On a more larger scale, there are things called stormwater wetlands that are normally used in the urban environments on ponds and lakes. They serve as a pre-treatment for sediment, but then mostly water quality. So again, it's just another option in the toolbox to help prevent some of the issues getting to your pond before they even occur.